We are in the midst of a battle between competing interests. On one hand, our collective desire to be rid of coronavirus and the precautions we've been taking to ward off infection. On the other hand, health officials are growing more worried by the day about rising case numbers and the need to return to wearing masks indoors.
When I go in the bus, in the train, or be a store, I always put an extra mask with me.
Oh, you double up?
I double them up, yes.
Masks are still required on mass transit, that is, buses and trains along with airports, and in various private businesses which make their own rules. But you do not have to look too hard to see a lot of exposed faces, even as the highly contagious Delta variant of coronavirus tears through our region and the rest of the country for that matter. In fact, according to the MTA, the percentage of subway riders wearing masks has dropped over the last few months from 90 to 71%. On buses, masking has dropped from 91 to 84%. Still, when asked if he's in favor of returning New York City to an indoor mask mandate, Mayor Bill de Blasio's answer is simple.
No. Simple answer, no. Let's address the problem by getting more people vaccinated.
Cases have tripled in New York City in the last 3 weeks. Hospitalizations are starting to tick up.
Councilman Mark Levine, who's also chair of the Health Committee, disagrees with Mayor de Blasio and says although he understands the burden of mask fatigue, delaying a return to a mask mandate could hurt us in the long run.
It is now very risky for crowds of people who are of mixed vaccine status to be together in indoor settings. It's hard to have a policy that works in stores in any of these settings unless it includes everybody. Otherwise, it's an honor system. If everyone's doing it, it's easier to enforce, it becomes part of the culture, and everyone's protected. I think it's a small sacrifice for folks to make to slow this new wave down.
Councilman Levine says, given the way things are trending, he would not be surprised at all if the Delta variant and rising case numbers forces Mayor Bill de Blasio and his administration to reverse their position and re-implement an indoor mask mandate sometime in the next month or two. We're live in Harlem. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.